Today's stream has been long, guys, but it's been awesome. I've been glad to be fucking doing this, man. Holy fuck. Damn, Maria. I'm right now joining some Sniper vs. Stoners. So, yeah, I got you. Where you going, Maria? Huh? You gonna go cheat on me or what? You gonna go cheat on me? I got you. I got you, Maria. Damn, dude, this network shit is pissing me off, man. GTA. What's going on, princess? What's going on, baby? Not a lot of people. Yeah, I know, Malik. It's all good though. If we really do continue trying to go out with the 24-hour stream tonight, we'll definitely get a lot more people, so it's fine. Because I got a lot of people that come on really late, so you got to think of the time difference. Plus, when we stream late at night, that's usually when we get more people. So, nah, I'm gonna never cheat on you. You're the number one bae. Better be the number one bae. Huh, princess? Number one bae. I'm the bae, huh? I'm the bae. All right, you know what? Let me see if my boy Lewis is on too. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I'll suck a dick. Oh my god, you're gay! Chaos. I wonder sometimes. I wonder. No, I'm not hoping. What time is it where you're at? It is 5:51, dude. You got a chance for you. Get a BMX and get a star with the cops tried to run you over. True. Hi, I'm new to the channel. Do I subscribe? Yes, AJ, you definitely do subscribe, buddy. We're gonna get right into some action, man. It's just been a really long stream, man. We've been streaming for like 8 hours, man. We're trying to go for at least 12 hours and then trying to move on to 24. Something, you know. I got a long day tomorrow. I got a drive to make. It's gonna be fucking crazy. Me and Miss have same time. Hell yeah, dude. Alright, my boy Lewis just joined. So we're going to follow Lewis real quick. So. 3:51 p.m. or what, Daniel? Oh man, guys, it's been crazy. I don't know why we can't load into any of these servers, man. I think it's probably because he's on the Wi-Fi too. Damn, man. I don't know. It's not like where I live at. You know, we don't have the same. I have better internet where I live at. You have military time, Maria. Subscribed. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Watch, I'm gonna subscribe. Hell yeah, AJ, dude, if you subscribe, dude, it's gonna be awesome. Do you have the fake anime shirt? No, I do not. I cannot get into these lobbies right now. I don't know why. It's taking forever, guys. So bear down with me. Bear with me. This is stupid. Alright, there is no longer a GTA session. If not, guys, we're going to join my own session. Do you have the fake? I live in the LA. It's 3:53. Nice, dude. California, bruh. What's up, princess? Move. Move. Move, baby girl. Damn, Jared, did you eat all the fucking blueberry Pop-Tarts? Bull, you fucking lying-ass bastard, dude. Fucking bitch. I don't like when people eat all the food and don't tell you like that it's gone. I hate that. That pisses me off. I feel so sick. I need to stop eating. I'm telling you, Maria. Oh my God, you're gonna get sick. Holy crap. No, I do not. I have not watched Jurassic Park. Was it good? Guys, if you haven't already, please leave a like and subscribe. Follow me on Snapchat, Kick, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you have. Stay in touch with me, guys. It really helps out. Yeah, so who's seen the new Jurassic Park? Leave it in the comments below. What is going on, Greg? Welcome back, buddy. He did eat all the fucking Pop-Tarts. I know he's lying. No bitch ass dude. Cause I only had like 2. I told you not to eat that chocolate. You straight. Oh my God. I know. Hey, that's what I said, dude. The Osiris is in the Transformers. I saw it. I watched Transformers last night. No, Greg, I probably won't watch Jurassic Park. I don't believe in that. I don't like watching all that sci-fi shit. I wouldn't spend money on it when I can watch it online for free. So. Damn, dude. I thought it wasn't storming yet. I thought it wasn't storming yet. No, guys, it's all good. I'll do a 10-minute break soon. Probably after this match, I'll do it. Yeah, Daniel, that's where I watched it. I was on Netflix, bro. Hmm? It's not raining yet? What's going on?